Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to sign up in Trust Wallet app. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Trust Wallet. And here we can see sign up option over here. Simply tap on this. Now enter the email address. Enter a username. Now enter the password. Now click on Creator Account. Now to verify, let's get into email. Here we need to click on this link over here and click here to activate your account. So it's done. Click on Continue to Trust Wallet. So this is it. Now we are in Trust Wallet interface. So this is how we can sign up in Trust Wallet. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.